back to the channel real quick. I want to do this real quick. It's a 3.6. I got the intake plenum up. What I want to cover is the proper way or the safe way to put the plenum back on. I see 3 intake plenums sitting over there on the side by the fence, the trash can. They're broken, and this is the only way I can assume they're broken. People are not doing this. So let me give you a tip. All right, what I suggest you do is push up on these bolts. Do not try to set this intake manifold down flush with the lower intake with the bolts still down. That's what people are catching on. Okay, you can easily push these bolts up inside the plenum. They will stay up until you put the plenum back on. That would aid in installation and make installation so much easier, and you will not crack this. Okay, so that's what people are doing. Now see, I got all these up. Now let me put this cover back on here, or this deadener, sound deadener. Now you see that? No bolts hanging out. That will make this installation so much easier and so much safer, and you will not break the intake manifold. All right, I wanted this to be real quick. That's why I want to show you a tip on installing the upper intake manifold on a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine. Yeah, so guide, if you didn't take this bracket off, just guide the hole in there, set it in there. Some people tend to bend these back. Now, as you can see, it is flush. You can't pull that off if the bolts are down, so you have to bring the bolts up. Now that that's down and flush, hopefully you use new O-ring gaskets on there. Now simply torque these bolts down to specs, pry back up on these until there, put the nuts back on there, put the nuts on here. That way you will not crack the intake manifold plenum. All right, that's a quick tip, online mechanic tip. So I did another video earlier on the car. It was a 300 on removing that plenum, and I covered this. Matter of fact, I'll link it up there, so go watch that. But for now, I'm just going to give you a quick tip on how not to crack, not to damage this upper intake manifold. All right, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching.